Hello, it's Gina again from DC Learn with another mini make, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a brooch out of odds and ends and a little bit of sewing. So any of these are all being made with scraps of ribbon and little bits and bobs like a button in the middle of that one and some beads. So you will need today a piece of felt, a needle and thread, a little bead or button to trim in the middle, 2 different widths of ribbon or a piece of ribbon and a piece of lace like in this one, or ribbon and netting like this one. You'll need a pair of scissors, a pen and something to draw around that's circular, and a glue gun. If you haven't got a glue gun, you can use ordinary clear glue like a Yoo-hoo or Boss Stick glue, but it will take longer to dry and you'll have to put a weight on when we get to a certain point, so I'll tell you that as we get there. So the first thing you need to do is overlap your ribbons. These can be any length because it's going to make a rosette shape like these. And what you want to do is put the edges together, both of the good sides facing you. And then with your needle and thread, just do a running stitch. So that's just up and down through the fabric. Now you'll see when you start to gather it up that it automatically makes a rosette shape. So I'm going to cut the ribbons off after my last stitch and gather up my rosette shape. Right, once you've gathered your ribbon up, you can then knot off your thread and cut that off. There we go, so you've got a very gathered couple of ribbons there, which if you fiddle about with them, you can turn into a little rosette shape like that. Now we need something to stick this onto. So I'm going to use a piece of felt. We need a circle of felt to glue the ribbons onto. So I'm going to draw around the top of this yogurt pot and cut around the circle. And this is where your glue gun comes in really handy, because you're going to put glue on one side of the felt and stick your ribbon on. If you're using an ordinary clear glue, multi-purpose glue, you will have to put a weight like a book on top of it while it sets. The nice thing about a glue gun is it sets more or less instantly. And then you twiddle your ribbons around. So there's my rosette. So I'm then going to make a small bow out of my narrow ribbon. I'm going to cut the ends into a nice point, and with a blob of glue, glue it into the centre of your rosette. Then with your needle and thread, I'm going to just sew this little bead into the centre just as an extra little decoration. And then to finish off, you just need to glue on the back a little brooch pin. So there we are, a very Christmassy looking brooch. Now we'd love to see your creations, so please take a photograph of what you make, post it on social media and hashtag DC Learn. See you next time. Bye bye.